Hi guys, my name's Chris. I go by the name of a DeFi Hustler. As you can see, I am back once again with a brand new update in regards to Cryptex. So sit back, relax, and we've been paid finally after about 16 days, 17 days. Withdrawals have finally started, which is fantastic. And it was basically a backlog due to the new update of the 2-year staking contracts. That's what I've been told. So I respect what they've said. Now, I did a video here 3 days ago in regards to that, saying payments are delayed. Obviously, I like to keep myself and everybody else up to date with what I am doing. Now, I always like to be transparent, especially my stuff. I like to be transparent. Now, here is the withdrawal. I got it on the 28th, and it's now the 29th, so yesterday. This is the this is it here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you. I go to here, and I put it into here. You'll be able to see. So this is the transaction, guys. And that was what it was. Okay. So if we go to the person who actually, I mean, you can see they've got 24. This is the address where it came from, I think. Yeah. Let me just double check. Yep. So this is the address, and we can check that as well. We can check their address, and yeah, they've got. I think they've got, like you say, it's got. Wait a minute, 24.4. If I'm correct, 24 Bitcoin, which I mean the current value is 118,000. So if you do 118k times 24, which is what? 1 minute. Let's go calculator. I mean, just this wallet alone has got 118,000. I think Bitcoin's around about that. I don't know. I've not looked at recently. Let me see. Bitcoin value right now. Because I'm in the Philippines. Let's go to coin market cap. Coin market cap. Let's see how much Bitcoin is worth right now. Yeah, they're 118,000. So they're thereabouts times 24. So you've got, over 2.8 million into this wallet. So obviously they've got some money. Got some money, guys. Got some money. Yeah. So that was the transaction. That was their withdrawal. Their deposit. Well, their withdrawal address. You can see it there, and yeah, they sent it to me. So that was the transaction. Okay. So I got mine on the 8th, which was there, and then the 28th. So 20 days later, for my second withdrawal, which is brilliant. And I'm happy with that. No issue at all. So yeah, so that's done. Oh, that's done. There's the transaction. You can go and check it on the blockchain. And this is my back office. And yeah, you can see I did the withdrawal on. Let's have a look. You can see, guys, got 24 staking thing here. I didn't like to say it was on the 11th when I did the withdrawal, and it's 28 now. So you can see it was quite a bit of time, but it was only because of the 2-year backlog. So yeah, so they do. It is manually. It is obviously manually withdrawals. So obviously there's somebody behind the in the back office. As I told you, it's a centralized platform, but they use hybrid DeFi contracts on a decentralized blockchain. But this actual website is 100% centralized. It's manually updated and also manually doing withdrawals, and you can see. So yeah, I mean, so far, guys, everything has been fantastic with this platform. I cannot say anything better. It's been doing everything it should be doing. I've been in it for a long time, since October last year, and it's been paying out. Obviously, it's been paying out withdrawals. Withdrawals are only paid out through for your referrals till your actual 2-year contract, 3-year contract, 5-year contract, 7-year contract finishes. These people all over the internet have had their final stakes. You can go and do your own research. It's on the internet. So yeah, it's really, really simple. I've done loads of videos, guys. You can go and check them out. All the information here. This is a really good one. I highly recommend that. We've had 1,400 views plus, which is really good. That's really, really good to watch, guys. Just obviously my withdrawal there. This is a 2-year staking one, which I've said. So yeah, just watch it all, guys. It's all really, really healthy to watch, and yeah, I'm happy so far with this project. Can't go wrong. Yeah, my overall profits locked at the moment is over 203,000, which sounds incredible. But yeah, so guys, I've made actually over 87,000 at the moment. And gradually it's moving forward. It's moving up, moving up, moving up. Last month we made over $13,722, which is brilliant. Last week we did $3,000. So yeah. On that note, guys, not much else to say. All the videos there. If you need to know how to do everything, super simple. You either stake for 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 7 years. That's it. Simple as that. Super simple. All you do is go in there, deposit, and follow the situation. It's all done by BTC. Very, very simple, guys. On that note, I just want to say thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this video. Once again, fantastic that we've paid. I've just shown you all the payment. Absolutely done. That's it. Thank you very much, guys. I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.